1 minute. I will start removing the student. All the video. Exercise 6.1. Fifth, no. Only leave one page. Exercise 6.1. Now let us start sixth one. Sixth one. If no, but it is slightly different. If P45, P45, yes. If P45 means prime factor of 45. P45 means prime factor of 45. Union, cup means union. P40, if prime factor of 45, union prime factor of 40 is Pn is equal to Pn where we have to find the prime factor of 40. Prime factor of 45 union prime factor of 40 is equal to Pn. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. So you have to first find prime factor of 45, prime factor of 40, and then you have to take union. Union means you have to take all the factor. And intersection, inverted cup means intersection. Intersection means common factor. Union means all the factor, intersection means common factor. So in this case we are given union. Means we have to find all the prime factor of 45 and 40. So very quickly we find prime factor of 45. So 45 we use the division method. For 45 we find the prime factor. See, the smallest prime number is 2, but 45 we cannot divide by 2. So after 2, 3. So 3, 15. Again 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So prime factor of 45, so we write 45 as 3 into 3 into 5. 45 as 3 into 3 into 5. But then leave 3 pages. But when we take P, 3 pages. But when we write P45 means prime factor of 45. So 3 we write once. 3 we write once. 3, 5. So prime factor of 45 are 3 and 5. Similarly, we find prime factor of 40. Similarly, we find prime factor of 40. 3 it has come twice, we write only once in the factor. Now I will find prime factor of 40. 40, we start with 2 to 20, then 2, good morning, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Yes, good morning. So, yes, mute, yes, mute the microphone. 3 has come twice, we write once. So 40 we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. But when we write P40, so P40 we write 2 has come thrice, but we write only once. 2, 5. 2 and 5. Yes. 2 and 5. P40. Now we want to find union of these two. So P45 is 3 and 5, and P40 is 2 and 5. So now whenever it is union, yes, my dear, mute the microphone. Whenever it is union, yes, we take all the number. So 5 5 we write only once, 5 5, then 3 and 2. So that is 2 3 5. So P45, huh? Yes, who is creating the disturbance? Please mute the microphone. Now we take union. Ha, ha. No. Wait. Now what we do? We write P45 union P40, P45 union P40, P45 union P40. Which are the factors? 2 3 5, 2 3 5. So now we write P40, P45 union P40 is Pn. So what are the factors of P45 and P40? Page number 87. What are the factors of P45 and P40? 2 3 5. So we multiply them. 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to n. So this n will be multiplication of these three numbers. N will be multiplication of these three factors. So that is 30. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So n is equal to 30. So now it is union. So I have taken all the factors. But if it is intersection, I will take the common factor. So 7th I am giving homework. 7th one I am giving homework. I am right. Common number. Yes, common factor. How many? Yes. One number. Only that number will be n. P50 intersection P28. P28 is Pn. Find the value of n. Yes. Find the value of n. Write this. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. You will, now it is intersection, so you will take only the common factor. And then n will be that common factor. The value of, my dear, in the same way you will do. You find the prime factor of 50, find the prime factor of 28, then it is intersection. Intersection means you have to take the common factor. And that common factor will be the value of n. Is it clear? Yes. In the same way, it is you will do in a. Now, before we start it, I have to define what do you mean by co-prime. So first we understand. See, we have seen the definition of prime number. My dear, you will find prime factor of 50, prime factor of 28. Then it is intersection. Intersection means you will find the common factor. And that common factor will be the value of n. Because that common factor will be the value of n. Understood? Yes. Now write definition of co-prime. Right, co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Write down the definition of co-prime numbers. Co-prime. Write down the definition of co-prime. Write down. Two numbers. Write down. Two numbers are common. Homework. Two numbers are co-prime numbers. Two numbers are co-prime numbers. two numbers are, seventh is homework. Two numbers are co-prime numbers if they have one as the only common factor. If they have one as the only common factor. If two number has only one common factor 1, then they are co-prime. If two numbers are having one as the only common factor, if two numbers are having one as the only common factor, then they are co-prime. One as the only common factor. For example, co-prime numbers, two numbers are co-prime numbers if they have one as the only common factor. For example, we can take 5 and 7. We can take 5 and 7. Wait. What are the factors of 5? Tell me. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Which are the common factor? Tell me. Which is the common factor? 1. 1 is the common factor, only common to them. So 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. 5 and 7 are 7 and 5 are prime numbers. But when you will take together, they are co-prime numbers. Page number 86. So two numbers, 3 and 5, they are co-prime. Yes. There is no request. Unless and until there is request, I can. 3 and 5, they are also prime. 7 and 11, they are also co-prime. So two numbers are co-prime if they have one as the only common factor. If they have one as the only common factor. Co-prime means you will be given two numbers. For prime number, you are given one number. But for co-prime number, you will be given two numbers. And how to check whether those two given number are co-prime? If they have one as the only common factor. We find factor of 5, 1 and 5, factor of 7, 1 and 7. Which factor is common to both the number? 1. So if 1 is the only common factor, they are co-primes. Two numbers are co-prime numbers if they have one as the only common factor. One as the only common factor. Yes. Now we write twin primes. We write twin primes. Co-primes and twin primes. Co-prime and twin primes. So write two numbers are twin primes. Two number are twin primes. Two number are twin primes. Twin primes if their difference means subtraction. If the difference means subtraction. If the difference of one as the only common factor, then they are co-prime. Write on this. Twin primes, two numbers are twin primes if the difference of both the numbers, difference means subtraction of both the numbers, if difference of both numbers is 2, if difference of both number is 2, then the given two numbers are twin prime numbers. Yes. No, not too stable. Only their difference should be 2. Whenever you subtract both the number from bigger number to smaller number, the answer should come 2. If the answer comes 2, then they are twin primes. For example, we can take 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Now my question is whether they are co-prime. What is 11 number? What is 11? Prime number. What is 13? Prime number. What? They are co-prime also, because their common factor will be 1. 11 and 13 are co-prime also. Now check whether they are twin primes. My dear, board is extremely clear. It is extremely clear. Now we check whether they are twin primes. So now we find 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. 5 and 7, they are co-prime numbers. So when you are given the number 11 and 13, you take their difference, means you subtract smaller number from bigger number. 13 minus 11 is 2. So when the difference is 2, so 11 and 13 are twin primes. 11, 13 are twin primes. 11, 13 are twin primes. So when their difference is 2, they are twin primes. Yes. No. For twin primes you will be given prime number. You will be given prime number. Two numbers are twin primes. Primes. Two numbers are twin primes if the difference of both the number is 2. 11 and 13. When you subtract 13 and 11, 13 minus 11 is 2. The answer comes 2. Whenever the difference is 2, they are twin primes. And co-prime we find the common factor. If the common factor is 1, they are co-prime. If the difference is 2, they are twin primes. For co-prime we find the common factor. For twin primes we find the difference. If the difference of both the number is 2, then they are twin primes. If the difference of both the number is 2, then they are twin primes. If the difference of both the number is 2, they are twin primes. Now we have to solve problems 8 and 9 based on this. No, my dear, both the number will be given prime. If one is composite, one is prime, then they will be neither co-prime nor twin prime. Then, now let us see exercise number 8. Co-prime means you have to find the factor of both the number. If both the factor have 1 as the only common factor, both the number has 1 as the only common factor, then the numbers are co-prime. 8. Which of the following pairs are co-primes? Which of the following pairs are co-primes? A. Which of the following pairs are co-prime? A. 15 and 37. You are given the pair of two numbers 15 and 37. Now we want to check whether they are co-primes or not. So I will find the factor of 15 and 37. So factor, we write F15. F15 means factor of 15. What are factor of 15? 1, yes, then 3, then 5 and 15. Yes. Find factors of 15. It is clear. factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Similarly, I will find factor of 37. Factor of 37 is 1 and 37 only. So, factor of 30, yes. Mute the microphone, yes. Mute the microphone. Factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Factor of 37 are 1 and 37. So, which factor is common? Which factor is common? 1. So, they have 1 as the only common factor. So, write down 15 and 37. 15 and 37 have, who is doing that? Who is doing that? Next time I will definitely not admit him. Yes, next time I will definitely not admit him. Yes. 15 and 37 have 1 as, 15 and 37 have 1 as, it is very much clear, have 1 as the only common factor. Has 1 as the only common factor. 15 and 37 has 1 as the only common factor. So the common factor is 1. No. There is no request. There is no request. So for 15 and 37 are co-primes. There is no request. How? 15 and 37 are co-primes. This is not the time to admit. This is not the time to admit. Right. So 15 and 37, we find the factor of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. We find the factor of 37, 1, 37. 1 is the only common factor. So when only common factor is 1, they are co-primes. They are co-primes. Yes. Now, when 1 is the only common factor, then the given numbers, when the given numbers are co-prime, the given numbers are co-prime if 1 is the only common factor. If 1 is the only common factor, the numbers are co-prime. Let us see B. B has 10, 21, 10, 21. Then C 3 and 5. 3 and 5. D, we'll see 59, 61. First you write on this. Mute the microphone. E 16 and 49. 16 and 49. F 85 and 35. 85 and 35. Then G 12, 20. G is 12, 20. Then H. Now we'll see H 33 and 55 as 1. 15 and 37 have, now we'll see, 15 and 37 have 1 as the only common factor, so that is why they are co-primes. 15 and 37 have 1 as the only common factor, therefore 15 and 37 are co-primes. Now B will be homework, C will be homework, wait, D will be homework, E will be homework, then F I will do, G will be homework, H will be homework. This F I will do. F I will do. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone first. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now let us do. Mute the microphone. Now let us do F. Let us do F. We check whether they are co-primes or not. F. 85 and 35. Now I will find factors of 85. Factors of 85 are 1 is the factor, then after that 5, then 17 and 85. They are the factors. They are the factors of 85. I will find factors of 35. Factors of 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now which are common factors? Yes, which are common factors? 1 is a common factor, 5. So 1, 5 are common factor. So write down 85 and 30. Yes. 80. Leave 4 pages. Leave 3 pages. 85 and 35 have common factor. 85 and 35 have common factors 1 and 5. So whenever they have only one common factor 1, then they are co-primes. But it has two common factor 1 as well as 5, and therefore 85 and 35 are not co-primes. 85 and 35 are not co-primes. Yes, because they have one more common factor 5, no? The given two numbers are co-primes if they have 1 as the only common factor. Here 1 is also there, 5 is also there. So they are not co-primes. The only common factor is 1, then they are co-primes. But if there are other factor apart from 1, then they are not co-primes. If there are other number apart from 1, then they are not co-primes. When two numbers have 1 as the only common factor, then they are co-primes. But if there are common factor other than 1 also, then they are not co-primes. Then they are not co-primes. Then they are not co-primes. This is over. Let us do ninth one, twin primes. Let us do ninth one, twin primes. For twin primes, you have to find the difference of both the number. Means you have to subtract smallest number from biggest number. And if the difference of both the number is 2, then they are twin primes. So ninth one, which of the following pairs are twin primes? 9. Which of the following pairs? Which of the following pairs? Which of the following pairs are? Which of the following pairs are twin primes? Which of the following pairs are twin primes? Yes. No. They are not twin primes, because for twin primes you have to find the difference. Yes. Now A, wait, A, 15 and 37. 15 and 37, they are co-prime. But what is 37? What is 37 minus 15? What is 37 minus 15? 37 minus 15, yes. 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So it is 22. 22. It is not equal to 2, no? So their difference should be 2. It is not equal to 2. It is not equal to 2. Are you getting? So if it is not equal to 2, they are not twin primes. So 15 and 37 are not twin primes. They are co-primes. Are not twin primes. They are co-primes, but they are not twin primes. They are co-primes, but they are not twin primes. Is it clear? B. Because there, see here, for co-prime you have to find the common factor, and for twin prime you have to subtract both the number, larger number minus smaller number. If larger number minus smaller number, the answer comes 2. 2, then they are twin prime. But the answer comes 22. 22 is not equal to 2, so they are not twin primes. So B will be homework. Yes, answer should come 2, then only they are twin primes. Then C 3 and 5. 3 and 5, what is the difference of 3 and 5? Yes, tell me. What is 5 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. The answer is 2, no? So they are twin primes. 3 and 5 are twin primes because their difference is 2. 3 and 5 are twin primes because their difference is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So they are twin primes. Whenever the difference of two numbers is 2, they are twin primes. Whenever the only common factor is 1, they are co-prime. So for co-prime we find the factor, and for twin primes we find the difference. For twin primes we find the difference. Then 59 and 61. 59 and 61, their difference will be 2, so they are twin prime. E 16 and 49. Then F 85 and 30. All are homework. 85 and 35. Then G 12 and 20. Their difference is 2, then only they are twin primes. H 33 and 55. 33 and 55. The difference should come 2. If the difference is not 2, then they are not twin primes. So homework, and homework. So for twin prime, you have to find the difference. For twin prime, you have to find the difference. If the difference is not 2, they are not twin primes. But if the difference is 2, they are twin primes. For twin primes, we have to find the difference. Bigger number minus smaller number. If the difference of bigger number minus smaller number is 2, they are twin primes. They are twin primes. Now, 10th one. Express the following as product of primes. Express each of the following as the product of primes. You have to express each of the following as the product of primes. First is 160. You are given the number 160. Wait, time is there. 160. Wait now. Let it be 160. We start, to express them as the product of primes, we start with the prime number 2. 2 8s are 1680. Then 240. Then 220. Then 210. Then 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. So you will write 160 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 into 5 and this is the answer. This is the answer. So we have expressed 160 as a product of primes. This is the answer. Bye. So now, yes, thank you. Bye. Yes. Answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times into 5. That remaining I will do next time. No. That I will do in the class next time. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye.